Chapter 3, Section 2. We're going to graph inequalities again, but this time we're going to put in there, so I'm going to graph inequalities. I'm going to say graph inequalities, okay? But this time we're going to add in adding and subtracting into what we're doing. Adding, subtracting. Just like we did before, let's say we had x minus 4 equals 0. And we wanted to solve this for x. Should be pretty easy. We'd add 4 to both sides. X, this cancels out, equals 4. So now we'd figure out x equals 4. It's really no different as if I say something like this. X minus 4 is less than 0. Okay? We treat it the same way with adding and subtracting. We would add 4 here. We would add 4 here. These cancel out. We'd left with x is less than 4. All right? X is less than 4 would be our answer. It really works no different than what we've been doing all along. All right? What about if we take a look and say, how would we work with this? Let's say we have a bigger number. Let's say we had something like this. Minus 2p minus 4 plus 3p is greater than 10. We can treat this the same as we did before, as if it was an equal sign, because all we're doing is adding and subtracting here. So we combine our like terms here. This would be 3p minus a 2p would just be 1p, or p minus 4 is greater than 10. We could add 4 to both sides. This cancels out. And p is greater than 14. And now you'd know that you'd come over to your graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And since it's a greater than, it's an open circle, and since it's to the right, we make our arrow going to the right, and that would be graphing it. That's the only thing that's changed in this, from this section to the last section, is that you need to figure out, you need to solve, I should say, for a letter when you do the assessment or assignment.